AISC. So AISC is the American Institute of Steel Construction. So our mission is to make structural steel the material of choice, and we do that on many fronts. And whether it's at working on the specifications or code levels, education, that's where I come in, other marketing activities. So we've got this huge piece that's in-person seminars. We've got a tiny piece that's recordings. And when I came in, it was clear to me, why don't we just try to do this live webinar thing? You know, other associations were doing it.
And so how do you use ReadyTalk in your work?
We were doing these 90-minute webinars over lunch, then we have these 8-hour seminars in person, but now we can really hit hard on a topic, over 12 total contact hours, and we're having a lot of positive feedback and a lot of success in making this, I think, a better teaching tool.
Sounds great. So you've got this entire series, someone signs up and they just come back time and again and get through that at the end. How do you make sure there's continuity through that series? Do you have different speakers? Do you have kind of the same speaker?
You know, we've done it both ways. For the majority of them, it's been one speaker. One of the courses that we put together, we had 4 speakers that shared the load, and we actually had more. I thought it would be easier, but it was actually more difficult to have continuity between the 4 guys. I thought what I'd like to do with our speakers is just between the speaker and I, we'll do a work session, get them familiar with ReadyTalk. I don't expect them to remember it. I just want to be familiar with it. When we get into that green room, we get them set back up, and we typically, this is a ReadyTalk best practices. Use a backup computer. We always do that. So it's come into play a couple times because of random things. And then I just try to keep the reminders to minimum, but let them know what our process is for Q&A. I jump in. How we do the Q&A is I'll jump in at an appropriate time and say, we've got some questions, I'd like to have you address them. I verbally announce them, the speaker verbally answers them, that way the entire group gets the benefit. I'm sure most of you do the same thing, but we rarely just start shooting chats back and forth with people to address questions on the content.
Thank you so much. We made it.
Yes, we did.